Today's paper is Faster R-CNN. The model is the enhanced version of the Fast R-CNN model. Instead of using selective search to make object proposals, the method introduces a CNN-based region proposal network. The proposed method in the paper is a unified network for object detection. It runs on 5 FPS and achieves better performance on various datasets by making only 300 proposals per image. Before getting into the details, let's first compare the network with two previous models, R-CNN and Fast R-CNN. The R-CNN network on the left uses selective search to make object proposals. This network is slow because it first applies layers of CNN on each box proposal to extract the image feature, and applies classification on the extracted feature to classify which object is in the box. If there are 2000 box proposals, the CNN should be applied 2000 times to extract the features, and this makes the overall process slow. The authors state that the R-CNN model takes about 47 seconds per image to make object predictions. To solve this problem, Fast R-CNN model makes a different approach. Instead of applying convolution on each object proposal, it applies layers of convolution once on an image and extracts feature in the feature level. This approach is much faster than the R-CNN model, but now the bottleneck is in the region proposal stage. The faster R-CNN model solves this problem in the proposal stage by adopting a CNN-based region proposal network. Here, it uses an idea of an anchor box. Using predefined anchor boxes of different sizes, the proposed method pulls up the speed of the object detection model. On the left figure shows the region proposal network. Image is fed into the convolution layers and outputs a feature map. And to make region proposals, a small layer of convolution is applied on this extracted feature map. This layer of convolution generating box proposals is shown on the right. Here, 3x3 window traverses through the feature map, and at each position, it outputs a box and class information. As shown in the figure, at each output point, it does not produce only one box, but k number of boxes. The k boxes are relative coordinate positions from the predefined anchor boxes, and the k class outputs the probability of the box containing an object or not. Think of this as a objectness score for the class branch. In the paper, the authors define value of k as 9 to make anchor boxes. This is to cover boxes of 3 different scales and 3 different aspect ratios. If the feature map size is 5x5, in total there will be 225 box proposals. The training of the Fast R-CNN model is divided into 4 steps. First, the region proposal network is trained on the object detection dataset to make region proposals. Once the model is trained to make proposals, a separate detector, in the paper the authors used Fast R-CNN, they trained this model on the region proposal network trained in step 1. In the third step, the authors used the detector network to initialize training of the region proposal network, but fixed the shared conv layers and only fine-tuned the layers unique to the region proposal network. And for the last training step, the shared conv layer is fixed, then the fully connected layers of the Fast R-CNN is fine-tuned. As such, both region proposal and Fast R-CNN detector share the same conv layers and form a unified network. The table shows the performance of the faster R-CNN model. The SS in the table denotes object detector using selective search, and rows with RPN written on it means that the fast R-CNN model with region proposal network. The selective search algorithm makes 2,000 proposals, and the RPN method makes 300. The region proposals, the proposals of the RPN is less than the number of proposals made by the selective search, but the model that uses RPN achieves better results compared to the one using selective search. The top table shows the performance of the model on PASCAL VOC 2007 test set, and the bottom table shows the result on PASCAL VOC 2012 test set. Now, this table shows the inference speed of the model on PASCAL VOC 2007 dataset. The rightmost column shows the speed of the model. The model using the Fast R-CNN model with selective search, it takes about 1,830 milliseconds, while the model that uses region proposal network takes about 200 milliseconds. The link to the paper and some useful resources will be provided in the description. That's all for today, and I'll see you next time with a new paper.